So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on V on your keyboard. Now you want to find volume shadow copy. You're going to double click on this. Make sure that you have the startup type on manual and then click on start, which will now make the service status running. And now you're going to click on the recovery tab. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy everything that you see on my screen. So for the first three, make sure that you have it on take no action. And make sure that you have reset fill count after 0 days. And make sure where it says enable actions for stops of errors, you have this unticked. So again, just copy everything that you see on my screen and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in SFC space / scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now you're going to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now you just want to restore your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.